In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fold Concorde, which is an absolutely epic paper airplane that is really easy to fold and flies really far. Now, it is so easy to fold that I'm going to teach you how to make it in literally 2 minutes or less. Feel free, of course, to pause and rewind if needed, but with that out of the way, let's get to it. All you will need in order to fold this plane is a sheet of 8.5 by 11 inch or A4 paper, so grab your sheet and we're going to begin in 3, 2, 1, go. Just fold it in half like this. Open it up, and you're going to fold triangles almost to the center, but I leave a couple millimeters between this edge and the center crease, and do the same thing on the other side. Now I'm going to fold this edge into that edge I've got. So again, not all the way to the center crease. I like to hold that layer underneath in place as I make that fold. Same idea here, hold that. Fold to your edge, not to the center crease. Just like that. And we're going to do the same thing one more time, making it really narrow, folding to the edge, not to the center. Just like that. And now fold your wings out, and you can just estimate, but you're folding to this corner. Something like that. Make yours roughly the same size as mine. And now you're going to grab all these layers on this side and fold right along that edge there. Just like that. Do the same thing on this side. And now when you flip it over, you can see those lines and you can just pull it all together like that. Lie it nice and flat and fold your wing up right along that edge. Flip it over, same thing on this side. And now we're going to fold the tail. So we want our crease to start there and land that point, something like that. And then open that up, and you're going to have to reverse this crease right here and the center. And you can close that up like that, and you'll see it stands on the other side, and you've got a finished paper airplane. Now you're going to want to bend the back edge up a little bit here and on this side as well, and throw this plane really hard. Thank you so much for watching, and good luck flying your plane.